Hello, pupils of Primary 6. I welcome you to this lesson. Thank you for being there. The previous time we met, we were looking at the if-to conditional clauses, not at the if-to conditional sentences. And we discussed that, and we said, when you're dealing with if-to conditional sentences, the main clause is always written using the word would or would not plus the action verb in its infinitive form, whereas the if clause is always written in the participle tense. We also moved ahead and looked at the impossibilities. Okay? Those sentences which express impossibilities, where we said when you're expressing impossibility, you use were, not was. Now today, I want us to look at another conditional word, that is unless. Unless is a negative word which means if not. Let me repeat this again. Unless is a negative word which means if not. Therefore, how do we use unless? We can use unless at the beginning of a sentence or within a sentence. When we use it at the beginning of a sentence, you apply a comma after the condition. Okay? Now, let's look at what we need to do, or some of the rules that guide us when we're using unless. When you're using unless, we consider basically 3 rules. The first rule is that if there is one negative word, either in the if clause or the main clause, what do? You remove it together with the word if. I repeat this again. If there is one negative word within the sentence, either in the if clause or the main clause, remove it together with the word if. Let me put it down here for you, where I'm saying if there is one negative word either in the if clause or the main clause. We are saying